Big up Crosses TV.
I'll be across the job over here, master.
Totally crosses TV, big up yourself.
You know what I mean? She just a try a
Remember
little
Danny
thing, you
Bless
know?
over here.
Follow
Them
Judah,
him
she
have
a
the
try a
pussy
little
fine.
thing, is my people.
One will heap of money, my love.
Yeah. A body
Can
drop the
imagine
IMD.
500
IMD.
pound for a 500 pound for a fuck. Cause
Right the
anybody that
stuff.
examine your pussy, know they supposed to tell us that dear pussy you have. I mean,
Pussy
I
good
no
for me
friend
ears.
and have
Nah
dear
lie. Pussy good for a
pussy.
girl who have 5 feet. Nah laugh. Pussy good.
Yeah.
Pussy good. Yeah, you can get the pussy for 5 and the mouth for a grand.
Murder! Oh, you know, me gonna go back, go blood clot, sleep. Me gonna go back, go sleep, you know, me never planned for the one, the Judah. Never planned for the one, the Judah, me nah lie. Jesus Christ.
Why? I mean.
What
Me
you
have 2
mean?
all and them I got sell. Me nah sell about it.
I have to sell it like TK Maxx,
Yes.
you know? Bungalow.
No, shut up. I'm not out of day. I just started. Shut up, that's your money black. Enough of them girls when you are lying down with a softwood from 19 or long. You know them
Yeah,
not steal your fuck.
yeah,
Gweblax.
yeah.
Hey, man,
My
I tell you
friends
Just
like
just
Judah.
start.
start.
Judah, listen to this now.
Just
Judah,
start.
Judah, yeah, hear me?
What?
You know, say,
What?
like, yeah, something would make me start go school. It's nice.
He's so foolish. Oh, big DM, small prize. Oh, shit. He's so stupid. I got one. Yes. What do you mean? Who's got the big name? No, that one never makes sense to me. I don't know about the big name. Remember, you see, when you give, well, my problem is, me give the all on a bus quick. I can't manage the pum pum. So me I gotta make beer money.
Be a money you gonna make.
Yeah, take the woman them with the powder makeup in it. Trigger me a fever now.
What powder makeup? You better come and buy me. You can't even afford to buy my makeup. Fuck off, blacks. Huh? Come buy me my makeup, blacks. That fucking powder.
Your makeup.
And I have on a powder liquid.
Oh,
A
Mama Spice are
liquid.
telling us if police fire shut off for her Friday night.
What? What? No, shut up. No police ain't firing no shot up, Woman Spice. Them love her. You're so stupid. Where do you get all them talking from? You might as well just call yourself
You don't
one
even know
newspaper.
who not ad for internet. I didn't think them in man this.
Yeah. It looks so. It looks
Can't
so
go in no
much.
church, you know.
Why I can't go in a church after I meet thief the offering and Chevy? Me, Judah and Chevy in a church and Chevy run away with the offering plate. I never me. So why me want it and can't go to church?
I should have run over it.
Eh?
First she put under the bench and then she take the
Yeah.
offering so she get water already. She have She
Chevy
fuck under
do
the
it and me.
Yo, she used to work on a sofa. She still used to thief food, you know.
Who used to work at sofa? Me? You know, sir. Judah, if I did seem like they depend him cut you off long time, you know, brother.
Long time, I know, innit?
Hey, I can't bother with Butty, you know, I'm going to check Gleaner
Yeah,
Star.
the Gleaner, the Star, yeah.
You
The
can't
Observer.
say my name in it.
Him are the whole of them. Him.
Look how long Stufa locked down. You can't know, say I want a little old run around boy. This from down at Tivoli, you know. I shoot cat down at town, you know. You can't say one of them cat boy, I get rich and get
The Super Plus.
Super.
The Super Plus.
No Super, Judah. Super where them sell $100 food and $200 food and Anytime
Okay.
a time you go town, you can get super food. This, you see, this boy is a cat boy. This boy used to
You
sell
didn't know it's the
soup.
hey, oh, Dr. Drunk on it. Didn't know.
Yes.
You didn't know. Shut
This
feisty.
boy, that's your money used to sell soup at town, right in front of sofa. Remember
You
you
don't feel like no. Him never named Dasher Money. Me I got find out him name when him did down a yard. And Dasher Money him did name when him down a yard.
That's your him used to name Dirty Foot Cat boy. We say, you couldn't say you remember my Dirty Foot boy.
Boy, no, me have a Dirty Foot friend.
Dirty Foot boy we push a cat. Down at town, you know, him get rich and switch and they are foreign now.
Like, but
Have
Dirty Foot
name
friend.
that's your money. I use you when you say, if I use a sofa from you say sofa your cat boy, run down cat for cat and people put them goods for your cat and when you're ready you
Yeah,
sell
Judah,
sofa.
man, I gotta go in so the followers them I gotta go down, you see me?
What you
Black
about them? I gonna go down. If I gonna go in because you find out your business, it's all right, Blacks. Look where you come from. Look where you are now, babes. Come on.
Yeah, you should be proud.
Yeah, look where you come from and look where you are. Come on, babes.
Judah, man, I buy a pair of Ezra.
And me, I don't want no jewelry. Fuck up. You know, see, my ears them nice. Let me not drop down lobes and them something to low me. For come drop down my ears. Low me little tiny ears them.
You know, a nose ring with that.
No, low me little tiny ears them. My ears them tiny. Them no want not come dry them down.
A nose ring with that enhance your face.
I don't want no more nose ring. You know, see, I have a good.
Let me see your teeth then. Oh, yeah.
We are now approaching.
Is it Blacks? Is it dirty Blacks? Come let me see you now. Come Black. Come on, son. Come on, be old friend. Show your face. But he's all ballied up and that shit. You see, he didn't have nothing to say because he knows they've been like this for years. He knows this. Nah, nothing to say about that. Low my mouth, Blacks. Blacks, can you show your face? Come on, show the people them you. Come on. And you know, so Blacks is a handsome black man, you know, people. Remember I told you, he's handsome love. And just love a fuckery. Love. He's handsome, man.
Yeah, nobody friend me up in the war soon starting.
Him the black again, Judah and Brown. You know, love me
No.
And the system.
No, when him go to jail, it never get no bleaching, so him just say, fuck it, yeah.
Judah.
And he go back black again.
Judah, you know how long me I tell us if you make the boy show you the Jamaica crack pan him foot bottom, pan him heel. Cause when you push the cat, you know, you get cracked down a town, you know, that can't left you, you know. Never left you. Show me a foot heel, boy.
Yeah. Black.
Eh? I remember
Hello?
remember the feed dentures can't come out of water till 3 hour time. You know, all on him there on the ground for. Well, and Judah, give him an next hour before him show you him teeth them.
So he shows me. And I know what he looked like a long time. Well, I haven't seen it, but I haven't seen it a good while, you know. I don't even know what he looks like, to be quite honest with you, you know. Blacks could be brown again.
Yeah, brown. Why I bleach? Why foot them turn up? One go to him have the Jamaica crack.
Do you know, I'm thinking, I couldn't. Shut up, Blacks. No, I'm really thinking. Because I don't even see you.
Hey, Mama Spice, you're very out of order, you know.
I get out of order, you know.
Booty.
I'm trying to think, did I clap eyes on this boy at all last year? I don't think I did. And if I did, I can't bloody remember. Shit then.
I just cut up some chicken back a while ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, me I go put it in a oven and throw some barbecue sauce, pan it and French fries, some fries. Me can't take the foolish food. Me tired of it.
I hope you find piece of flesh pan them bone them, Mama.
Bone them on it. Meat them on it. No matter. We name it same here.
I had to have a bit of foolishness.
Why
I
when you
had
blend
to.
up your taste different? It must look different than when you're not blend up your seasoning.
I suppose and a half a chicken back out enough, man.
No, a 3 pound. Move your blood clot. A 3 pound.
He's so feisty. Why are you so
A
feisty?
see the whole heap of meat, the pan it a bright here when this barbecue, man.
Hey, you see, chicken back at Jamaica's proper chicken back, but now I get no only for meat from it over.
No pound and that. You can't send that shop go buy pound. Me send $1,000 go shop. I don't get back dollar.
Make it marinate so the bone them
Yeah,
season.
that's what I do in our fridge. It a marinate.